Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.
Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel at kung bago ka lang sa aking YouTube channel, huwag mong kakalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga latest upload, especially about sa grade 7 mathematics. So in today's video, ang pag-aaralan natin ay integer operations. So you'll be able to solve problems using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of positive and negative integers. Okay. So, hatiin ko yung video na to sa 4 na video. So, yung unang nating i-discuss ay yung addition of integers, followed by subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, pinag-aralan natin last time yung tinatawag nating absolute value sa number line. So, medyo ma-encounter nyo ng konti dito yung tinatawag nating number line para intindihan ninyo kung ano nga ba yung relevance niya sa operations on integers. Ayan. So, number line. A number line can be used to show addition. Let's say, for example, ito sa number line na to, ito yung 0. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yun yung 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tapos yung nasa left side naman, yun yung negative based dun sa nakaraang video din natin. Okay, let's say for example, yung negative 4, i-add natin kay 8. So, ima-mark natin dito si negative 4. So, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito yung negative 4 natin. Mag-a-add tayo ngayon ng 8. So, paano tayo mag-a-add ng 8? By start at negative 4 on the number line. So, magsisimula tayo kay negative 4. So, ayun yung negative 4 natin. And then afterwards, mag-move tayo ng 8 spaces from negative 4. Kasi nga, mag-a-add tayo ng negative 4. So, mag-move tayo ng 8 spaces. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, since kapag move na tayo ng 8 spaces, dahil nga negative 4 plus 8, ayan na. Ima-mark na natin ngayon yung ating sagot, yung naka-green. So, yung sagot natin ay, of course, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. So, that means negative 4 plus 8 is 4. So, the answer is positive 4. Okay, so let's, dito naman sa video na, sa part na to ay gagamitin natin yung number line para naman i-show yung subtraction or yung pag-subtract ng integers. O let's say for example, 6 minus 8. So, una dito, we'll start at positive 6 on the number line. So, markahan natin yung positive 6. Then, afterwards, mag-move tayo ng 8 spaces to the left naman. Kasi magsusubtract naman tayo this time. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, after moving yung 8, so, ayun na, namarkahan na natin yung ating answer. So, from 0, that's 2. So, ang sagot natin ay negative 2. Yan, negative siya kasi left side siya. So, 1, 2. So, ayun, negative 2. So, ngayon, mag-proceed na tayo sa addition of integers. Okay. So, when adding positive and negative numbers, first, look at the sign and determine if the signs are the same or different. So, kapag daw nag-a-add tayo ng integers, una nating gagawin ay tignan yung sign nung dalawa or yung sign nila, yung symbol nila. Kung magkamukha ba sila ng sign or magkaiba. Okay. Example, negative 3 plus negative 5. Negative 3 ba at negative 5 ay magkamukha ng sign? So, are these the same sign or different sign? Yes, they are the same sign. So, kapag ka daw the same sign, okay, since the signs are the same, add the numbers and keep the same sign. Since pareha silang negative number o negative yung sign nila, all we have to do ay i-add lang natin yung number Tapos, ilalagay lang natin kung ano yung sign nilang dalawa. Since both signs are negative, so i-add lang natin yung 3 at 5. So, that will give us 8. And then, since negative yung sign nila, ang answer natin ay negative 8. Let's have more examples. What if we have negative 8 plus 12? So, una daw nating tignan, magkamukha ba sila ng sign? Ayan. Are the signs the same or different? Magkamukha ba? They are different sign or they have different sign. So, sabi dito, if the signs are different, pag magkaiba yung sign, subtract the two numbers and take the sign of the biggest. Hindi yung value, yung biggest number, yung absolute biggest number. Okay. So, ang gagawin daw again, pag magkaiba ng sign, all we have to do is to subtract them and then get the sign ng mas malaking number. So, which number is bigger? 8 or 12? So, the bigger number is 12. So, ano naman yung sign ng 12? Positive ba or negative? Positive yung 12 natin. So, ang gagawin natin ay i-take natin yung positive tapos i-subtract natin yung dalawang number. So, ikunin natin yung bigger number which is 12, i-minus natin dun sa smaller number which is 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. Since positive yung bigger number, that means positive yung magiging sagot natin. Ayan, since our answer is positive, we can leave off the sign. Ayan. Hindi na natin nilalagyan ng plus sign kapag positive. Kasi kapag wala siyang nakalagay na negative, automatic, it's a positive. So, hindi na natin kailangan naglagay ng plus sign as positive. Example number 3, 7 plus negative 11. So, 7 plus negative 11, let us first identify kung magkamukha sila or magkaiba ng sign. So, yung 7 ba at negative 11, magkamukha niyang sign? Hindi. They are different or they have different signs. So, the same rule. Ano yung gagawin natin? If the signs are different, subtract the two numbers and take the sign of the biggest. So, dito sa dalawang number na yon, which number is bigger? Yung 7 ba o 11? The answer is 11. The next question is, ano yung sign nung 11? Yung sign nung 11 ay negative. So, that means, isusubtract natin yung 11 kay 7. So, 11 minus 7 is 4. And then, indicate natin kung ano yung sign ng pinakamalaki. Since negative yung mas malaki, negative yung magiging answer natin. So, negative 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. Since mas malaki yung negative natin sa 11, it will become negative 4. Another example. So, when the numbers have different signs but are the same, what happens? Anong napansin ninyo? Kapag ang number ay merong magkaibang sign but are the same, what happens? Ayan, magkaiba ng sign yung number pero magkamukha silang number. Anong ginagawa? Anong mangyayari? Ayan. So, another example tayo. Dito, negative 5 plus 5. So, wala dito ang mas malaki kasi parehas sila ng number which is 5. So, ano yung gagawin natin? So, sabi dito, since the signs are different, isusubtract natin sila. So, that will give us 5 minus 5 which is equal to 0. Okay. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So, dito, since neither number is bigger, the answer gets neither sign. Ibig sabihin, yung neither sign natin is 0 dahil nga 0 is neither positive nor negative. So, that means, you can now conclude na kapag ang number ay magkamuka, magkaiba lang ng sign, exactly magkamuka, magkaiba lang ng sign, automatic ang sagot natin ay 0. So, when you add two opposite numbers, they are always equal to 0. So, ito yung summary natin. So, same sign, we add and keep the sign. Different sign, isusubtract naman natin and take the sign of the biggest. Kung alam niyo yung song na Row, Row, Row Your Boat, meron tayong kanta about dito. kantahin ko lang para baka sakaling matandaan ninyo. So, sabi dun sa song, same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract, use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. So, parang ganun lang din. Kapag same sign, i-add lang natin and then we keep the sign. Kapag magkaiba sila ng sign, isusubtract natin, tapos kukunin natin yung sign ng mas malaking number. Okay, so now your turn in answering this problem. So, magbibigay ako dito ng mga addition guided practice. So, pwede nyo i-pause yung video, then sagutan ninyo, and then tingnan nyo kung tama yung sagot ninyo. So, sa unang tanong, what is negative 8 plus negative 2? The answer is negative 10. The next question, what is negative 9 plus 2? The answer is negative 7. Next question, what is negative 4 plus 8? The answer is 4. Number 4, what is negative 9 plus 9? We have 0. Number 5, what is 7 plus negative 3? We have 4. Number 6, what is 4 plus negative 8? We have negative 4. Hi guys! So tapos na tayo sa ating addition of integers. So in today's video, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay subtraction of integers or subtracting integers. Okay, when you have a subtraction problem, rewrite it as an addition problem and change the sign of the number after the subtraction. So again, kapag daw meron tayong subtraction problem, ang gagawin lang natin ay i-rewrite natin siya as addition. Gagawin natin siyang addition and then papalitan natin yung sign na kasunod nung subtraction sign. Okay, so paano ba yon? Example, negative 4 minus negative 8. So ang gagawin natin, instead na minus siya, gagawin na natin siyang plus. And then, yung kasunod nung minus na yon, papalitan natin yung sign. So instead of negative 8 to, magiging positive 8 na yan. So, change natin siya sa addition. It will become negative 4 plus, instead na minus, plus na siya. And then, change the sign of the 8. Yung 8 natin ay negative. So, it will become positive 8. Ayan. So, magiging negative 4 plus 8 na siya. So, after changing that, after rewriting the problem, we will now follow the rules for addition. So, ano ba yung rules natin for addition? Pag same sign, we add and keep the sign. Pag different sign, isubtract natin and get natin yung value ng bigger number. So, since the signs are different, subtract and take the sign of the biggest. So, since magkaiba sila, negative 4 ito, positive 8 ito, isusubtract natin yung 8. So, magiging 8 minus 4. And then, kunin natin yung sign ng mas malaki. Ang sign ng mas malaking number ay positive since 8 is greater than 4. Ang sign ng 8 ay positive. So, that means positive ang magiging sagot natin. So, the answer is positive 4 because 8 minus 4 is 4. Another problem. What if we have negative 8 minus 7? Of course, rewrite the problem. Remember, when you change it to addition, change the sign of the number after the subtraction sign. So, kung nakita nyo yung kasunod ng minus sign ay positive, magiging negative na siya. Kung negative naman, magiging positive na siya. So, una natin gawin ay gawin nating plus. So, ginawa ko ng plus yon. And then, yung positive 7, magiging negative 7. Since addition na siya, we will now follow the rules of addition. So, sabi natin, since the signs are the same, pareha silang negative, add and keep the sign. So, negative 8 plus negative 7. So, 8 plus 7 is 15. Pareha silang negative. So, negative 15. So, ito yung summary natin sa subtraction. Change the subtraction to addition and change the sign of the number after the subtraction. Then follow the rules for addition. Again, palitan natin yung subtraction ng addition, palitan natin yung number na kasunod ng subtraction sign, yung subtraction sign. So, kung positive siya, magiging negative na siya. Kung negative siya, magiging positive siya. And then afterwards, i-follow natin yung rules ng addition. Okay, so ito yung subtraction guide practice natin. So, pwede nyo i-pause yung video para masagutan ninyo. What is negative 9 minus 9? So, rewrite natin. It will become negative 9 plus negative 9. So, that's equal to negative 18. Number 2, 14 minus negative 3. So, that's 14 plus 3. That will give us positive 17. What is negative 7 minus negative 7? So, rewrite natin negative 7 plus 7. So, magkamukha sila. Exactly the same yung number, pero magkaiba ng sign. So, automatically, the answer is 0. In number 4, what is 4 minus 9? Okay, again, i-change natin yung symbol from minus magiging plus. Change natin yung sign ng 9 from positive, it will become negative. And then, apply lang natin yung rule ng addition. So, since magkaiba sila ng sign, subtract natin and take the sign of the bigger number, which is negative. So, 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 is negative, so the answer is negative 5.